All right, fellas, so this is the bottom tube of the buggy here. This is the thickness for any tubes that have rock contact. This is the same size tubing I have on hand. Anyway, so to make this fit on there nicely to reinforce sections, we're just going to squish that. You can see what it looks like beforehand. Bring it up around 1800 or so, something like that. There's what it looks like afterwards. Fits nice. All right, here's Tyler, the big welder. No pressure, Tyler. You know, I hate when people videotape welding. It always sucks to watch.